new month, happy new month. Happy new month to all my beautiful family, friends, all my customers. Happy new month to you all, my loved ones. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month. Month of success, month of happiness. Yes, now. Happy new month to all my friends, my customers, my loved ones. Happy new month, lovely new month. Zoom and zoom the new month. Zoom away all the new month. This new month that will zoom. I have network today this one.
Network only.
No day. No come back. Use your phone. Come hold your phone. We'll check out. Let's use your phone to check out. MTN not the get network. MTN network from network because they work, but you know they talk inside. That's the they work. Happy new month. Sana is working. Sana is working. Happy new month. Happy lovely new month. Yeah, it's working. Yes, now, still comment now. I know they say happy new month. Yeah. Happy new month to you, darling. Thank you. Happy new month, happy new month, happy new month to all my beautiful customers. Happy lovely new month. Happy lovely new month to everybody. It's coming up now. Don't you work?
They won't come and shoot me.
But comment the you know you're the top, the inside my video. It's working here. I'm seeing it here. See here. Happy lovely new month. Happy new month. Oh my gongo. Happy new month, happy new month. I don't know if I ever go to the company and say, you know what? Come and say, if I must go to check on this thing. You can see the work here. Nice, yeah. This is how they show comment, but it's here now, that they work now. Leave that one, you forget that side, you'll come up. Here now. Don't they come up? Leave her. Yes, let's go there. Yes, today is new month. Today is the 1st of May. The lovely May. Happy new month to all my beautiful customers. Wait, loves you. Finish all my lovely customers. All that now, looking good is good business. No say we must show head now. As new month today, you enter another month again. You need to thank God. You need to give glory to God. Yes, now. You need to give glory to Almighty God. This month of blessings, success. Yes, now. Good thing will enter our house this month in Jesus' name. Plus they do now, so we show different head now. Anyone you like, please just do a screenshot and send to Hairworld. My number is there. If you need anything, just call me. Order your laundry from Hairworld. Order your laundry from Hairworld. Order your laundry from Hairworld. So now, come closer. I think I can't do it. I don't want to change you, eh? Where they change? No. Love you or nothing. Yeah, when I see the 15 minutes. I don't say if I wear, I hate to love you. No say if I wear, I just now when I wear, I hate to love you back. Abi, make I dey wear now. Oh, my phone is it. Love you or nothing. Hello. Mama Baba, big out. Now, they like it now. Mama, we are finishing there. The actor you are finishing. This is food for another one, eh? Okay. My actor you are going to go. I love it with any actor. You are listening. Okay. Love it. Like over the change. You like tight. You like food. Yeah, you're full one time. No space. Happy New Month of blessing. Yeah. Oh yeah, now what I'm going to change. More the change. I'm sure you'll start for this, all this one. Most of us. Are you there? Are you going for the full frontal bone straight? Are you going for the full frontal bone straight? Are you going for the full frontal bone straight? Are you going for the full frontal bone straight? Gege, come inside now. Oh yeah, now let's go. I'm a full frontal. You're going for this full frontal. Love you, ready for pickup. You don't get full frontal love you. See, I'm full frontal love you. See, as for my hand. It makes sense for me. He loves the finish. Yeah. Full frontal. You don't snap her. Yes. Okay. I say I know you're here today. I say I know we're here today. See me, I don't show me like that. Ready. I don't want to say one put the waka for down. You don't get blood with that fruit. Happy New Month. Please like and share. This one a full frontal. See another full frontal. I said where the black does not black full frontal. It's not blonde with dark fruit. Ready for pickup. Happy New Month to all my beautiful customers. Are you there? Happy New Month. You don't snap her. You see the blonde color. With dark fruit. Ready for people. Yeah. Let's do fast. But they do the different one. Are you going for this one? When I shoot that, go back. But they miss now. Abi, I'm going to do straight ones first. Are you going for the dark wine? See wine color. I say I'm today. I don't want to wear here. I don't involve me for hair. Ready for pickup. Happy New Month. Please like and share. Order your laundry from Hairworld. You don't get wine color, bone straight. Ready for pickup. You don't get wine red. Come and do the show for this thing. Let me come out. Give me the other phone. Francis. Hold on. Make a phone. So, come and do this side. Check on that Francis. Going.
Yes, that's show for you now.
Eh?
That's show for you.
That's show? They show now. See, come and they come out. Come and they show. Like and share, like and share. Come zoom this one, zoom and zoom and zoom the hair. Zoom the lovely, zoom the lovely. Zoom it, zoom it, zoom it. Zoom the wine color. Fima way. Fima. 30 inches wine. See now, you don't get this color. You don't get this red, this wine red. See, luxury or nothing. Luxury or oh yeah. Ready for pickup. See, ready for pickup. I don't want one particular session. Hey man, you new hair come inside here where you supposed to. Because people they buy the night and they give me this well. Oh God, see lost. Ready for pickup. They check. No, this comment. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? You don't snap her. Ready for pickup. They see colors, yeah. You dey see and they film the hair. Film the luxury bun straight, yeah. Ready for pickup. They see luxury or nothing. They see 30 inches. They see the color. Are you seeing the color? You dey see the orange. It's not orange, it's like orange red. Get the way this color take day. You don't get time. You don't order them from Ewo. Ready for pickup. Luxury or nothing. Film the hair. Film the bun straight. You don't film her. You don't zoom her. You don't film her. You don't zoom her. They screenshot to anyone you like. Yours in. Send her they give me now. My number is there. My luxury number is there. My WhatsApp number is always there. Contact Edward. How much? Edward, the boss lady. The boss lady Edward. See her now. See luxury now. You dey see luxury. See her. You dey see bone straight. You dey see bone straight. See her. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? God. Hello? Yeah? Okay. Yes. Okay. I want to take the other one. You want to choose another one? Okay, now, okay. Alright. Okay. Sorry for that, customer. You don't snap her. You see, this one not dark. There's many customers say, "What this? I need a blonde color without play root with play root. I don't want dark. You see, are you seeing it? Are you going for this wine? Are you going for the wine red? The short one? Okay, now the 30 inch I said with us now. Ready for pickup. Ready for pick. Are you going for this one? See her now. You see this one? Are you going for this color? Look at the length. Are you seeing the length? See the length here now. Are you going for this length? Other now the trend. Ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. See her. How much are 20 and 22? 22 inches. 22 inches. Are you going for the 22 inches? Ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Ready for pickup. See. 24, this 24 inches. Are you going for 24 inches black? Are you going for 24 inches black? 24 inches. Are you going for 24 inches? I don't want to too long. This 24 inches. Now are you going for this one? Ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. Lost the up, nothing. Zuma. See lost the shape. Lost with the shape. See lost with the shape. 24 inches. Are you going for the 24 inches black or you are going for the 30 all day? All the lengths they are available. Yes, I hear what they run at the balls. Ready for pickup. Lost the up, nothing. Zuma. Zoom the hair. Zoom the hair. The lost this here. Ready for pickup. The comment. They just check the comments. Anything they want, anywhere where they want. Oh, it's another one. We'll see. Yes, he bounce. Bounce the trend. Are you seeing me? You don't stop her. Now maybe the vendor that vendor the hair. Now maybe the vendor where they vendor the hair. The vendor that vendor the hair. See my name. The vendor that vendor the wig. That vendor all the laws. Ready for pickup. All that match will be fair. You don't stop her. Sit bounce. Are you seeing the bounce? You don't sit bounce. You don't get this bounce. See color now. See the color. Are you seeing the color? See and where? Zoom. Make them see the color where. What color is this? This is dark brown. Get the way the dark brown take you. Take love you see. Are you seeing the dark brown? Dark brown come get some kind color inside. See. Are you seeing it? Dark brown come get like very dark orange background. Orange see. Get the way the color take come. Lost the Hannah. What you want to go trade? This one a new motto. Love yourself. Looking good is good business. Looking good is good business. You don't snap her. See fast now. See color. Ready for pickup. All that now is the trend. All that now is the trend. Are you going for the silver? The gray color. You never get this gray now. All that right now. All that now is the trend. Ready for pickup. Are you going for the gray color? Ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. Happy new month. So now new month. So this month more money for our account. More blessing, more favor. Unique month. Maybe this month. Unique one. This way will make everybody go love me. See and shake her. Shake the hair, film the hair well. Film her. Zoom the hair. Luxury ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. You see her? Ready for pick. Are you going for this one? You see her. See the black. Ready for pickup. Almost there now. You don't snap her. You don't. I bet zoom this. Zoom the band. Zoom the band. Zoom the band. Zoom her. You see her. Ready for pickup. The other one needed. Don't snap her. Ready for yeah. Let's go. See bounce now, see her. Are you seeing it? So now stepping bounce. Now first step there. First step 28, 26, 24, 22. So are you going for this one? So on that call, on that dark, put it on that dark bra. Are you going for this dark bra? The one where yours can see get different from this one. That one gets orange like background, eh? Ready for people. You just zoom the hair, zoom and zoom the wig, zoom the brown color, zoom the band. Ready for people. Yeah, see her now. What you want to go lost for yourself? Happy new month to all my customers, all my friends, all my loved ones. All that your lovely hair now, looking good is good business. Yeah, what you want to go straight now? See bounce. You don't order your bounce. See that brown. You see I'm 5x5 clothes, you see I'm. Can do any style with it. Can style the center part, side parts, all back. Your choice of styling. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing orange color? See orange browns. Orange browns. Orange browns. Orange browns. Ready for pickup. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Ready for pickup. Are you going for the browns? Orange color. I don't know where the black now. It's black away just now. Down is what? Closure. Down is okay, I love closure. Are you going for the orange bounce? Yeah. Not too long, not too short. Ready for pickup. Not too long, not too short. Ready for pickup. I see it. Ready for pickup. Okay, I want this closure before. This one is the frontal. Are you going for the frontal? This one is the frontal bounce. The frontal bounce. Ready for pickup. Listen. What is that blueless? So blueless. Are you seeing it? Ready for pickup. Gay. Now I was band there on board. Then the train. Ready for pickup. Sit band, send the band. Hey. Ready for pickup. You don't snap, and this one at the full frontal. Ready for pick up. Happy new month now. Still love you. Don't snap and full frontal. Freestyle and side part, center part. Anywhere you want to style and your choice. See, I'm ready for pick up. See this one, that's gonna bounce. Same bounce, so full frontal and center closure. Are you going for the full frontal? You're going for the center. See the full frontal here. Same bounce with that black, same color, same bounce. This one is wine. This one is center part, center closure. See. Are you seeing? This one is full frontal, ear to ear. This one is just one part, center. So are you going for the full frontal? You are going for the closure. Word, I know what waiting I go. Waiting go to disturb me. Waiting I go to disturb. Even the full frontal, say no go to disturb. Are just blueless. They are all blueless. But your choice. This one, but one thing about the full frontal, you want style at different parts, center, side, or back. You want anyway you want to style it. It's your choice of this one. This one is just center. So are you going for the center? You are going for the full frontal. See. Are you seeing it? See the bounce. Are you seeing it? The loss between me. So which one are you going for? The center or the full frontal? Word that way I beg, I need the wine color, the full frontal. Word that I need the wine color, the center closure. Your choice. All that now is the trend. Yeah. Ready for pickup. I see on that color, see orange and dark brown. You don't snap. Happy new month to all my beautiful customers. Gege. You don't snap. Ready for pickup. Gege. You don't snap and see 5x5. This 5x5 is too long, even too wide. So you won't be like full front. Are you going for this one? You don't snap and go fast. So I have many here. Just to figure this one. I'm not going to show them like that. I'm not going to show my customer like that. I have many. Full frontal baby face. Full frontal baby face. Full frontal baby face. Now hair was not the hair vendor that bend all the hair. See wig now. What till they find for hair was we not there here. See baby face now with bounce. See baby face with bounce. The wig is not the wig baby face that bounce way too. It's not be available. Ah, God. You don't snap this I feel steak, I just pack one. Loves me. Yeah, take. See another color. See another bounce. Yeah. My hair was the run now. I mean they run now. The boss of hair. Who is your hair vendor? Who is your hair plug? Now me now. You don't order your hair from Hair World. Yeah, you want to go order your hair now. How you want to go laundry now? Laundry. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Hair World laundry. See. Ready for pickup. Are you there?
No.
Zoom the head, zoom out, you don't zoom out. Zoom the head, zoom the bounce. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Yeah, see. All these things, they are 5x5 wide though. Who can know why I wear yours now? Now we see girl with 14. Okay, see how? See the one thing so wide. So can I come this side? See the wideness. Are you seeing it? My phone they there. Back the teeth come up from it. Are you seeing it? See, you are seeing it 5x5. See where we start. Are you going for this one? See bounce. Are you seeing the bounce? Horrible. Come. Come, make attention to them. This is nice. Why is it? Are you going for this color? See this one now. See this one. Are you seeing it? So I look back this one. See so that the short back. Attend to them now, see customer there. Are you there? Attend to them. Almost. Oh, yeah, come and come. Yes, everyone one. Yes, now. Oh yeah. You see bounce, see another one. You see another bounce. See all this bounce. You want to bounce and bounce yourself. Ready for pickup. See. Just stop her. See bounce now. See love. You don't snap her. Give me 3 seconds now. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. That's laughing. Say what? Come on, collect her. Say what? They go. Don't chop body. Fast. Now I'm going fast. Are you going for this color? Ready for pickup. Hairword is the hairword that brings all the hair. But the thing is, they use the whole belly. Now say this is not well. You get what the warrior says. Favor very fast. I don't say you what you use. You know you do like this. That's when I. Hey oh, see love me. Don't snap her. See the bounce now. My hair word now the end friend. The hair word and friend not the vendor. See another bounce. You don't get this kind of bounce. Epa for that one. Keep her. Back. Where did you see over there? You never cut it. Go check the one I don't got that one. That one. When I was there. Are you seeing the lovely? That makes sense. So I'm going to take this one. So put this one there. Okay. Oh yeah, what's the next one? Next. Which one I want to take for that one? They make a choice. That one.
That big one. Why is it very fine? No, of course it is.
Short one. Always side. It's a bread is sort of dry.
Yeah, okay.
Where Francis? They are taking customers. You don't snap, yes, now they pick up, they rush, they go. Now, hey, what Lord, you like me on yes, now. Happy New Month to everybody. Anyone you like, just the daughter now, the picture now, you can see it's going. See the wine now, see the wine pan. See the wine pan. Are you seeing the wine pan? You don't snap her. Attend to customers, she can't be side. She don't try to want it. Looking at it. Oh yeah, give me another one. Ready for pickup. Ready for. Are you going for this color? Oh yeah, Naka, go and prepare it. Ready for pickup. Are you going for the piano band? You want to take that one? No, not possible. Wait. Take another one we want to take. Oh yeah, change. Ready. Are you going for this one? Mona, come now. Francisco, let that POS for Mana. Naka, come. Mona, attend to customer. There's somebody here. Who are Motola? Motola. No, wait. I don't get that one. I take. Just one I make myself it. I'm not going to see. I'm not going to let my movement right now. Let myself it take the red. Don't vex, so cutting my food everywhere. Down, up and down. See, this one is, oh man. See, coils. Deep wave have been a. See this deep wave. See the way it takes this. They see how. See deep wave. Are you seeing it? See deep wave now. See lovely. See lovely. Are you seeing it? Ready for pick-up. Oh, you have to come this way. Come this way. This I will be giving you. Don't worry. If I never finish. Let's see how I'm going to show the leg. See, this one is PC coils. Are you seeing it? See, 14 inches. Are you going for 14 inches? Are you going for 14 inches? This one are half-cast coils. This one is half-cast coils. Let me wear it. This one is half-cast coils. Half-cast, not PC. Half-cast coils PC. See, I get see, I'm putting it down at PC. But we call it half-cast coils. All the coils, they see the coils. Are you seeing a half-cast coils? Are you seeing it? Anyone you like, just the screenshot down. My number, my WhatsApp number is this. Yeah. Are you seeing it? Are you going for this one? 14 inches. See the 14, yes. See the 16. See the 16, yes. See 14 here. Are you going for 16 or 14? PC coils. Are you seeing it? Are you going for the half-cast coils? Yes. Or you are going for this one? See, I'm 14 inches. See dark brown. This one is the dark brown. Are you seeing it? Dark roots, black roots. Dark brown, dark roots. Are you seeing it? Ready for pick-up. Ready for pick-up. Ready for pick-up. See bounce. See all the bounce here. And the conversation, what tell you? They show on the Ready for pick-up. Are you going for? I don't wear this color. Yes. Now I start deep way for this side. Just. Are you going for this one? See, it's not PC loop, PC coils loop. The wetter and you see the coils of this one. Where is my wetting? This thing? Are you seeing it? Listen, just water to wet. Use water to wet it. You see the coils? Are you seeing it? See, look. Ready for pick-up. Ready for pick-up. Are you going for this one? See deep wave. Not deep wave. All these are new arrival. Deep wave with another style. See the coils. See the coils of the deep wave. They see the way it balance. See the way it thick. Are you seeing the thickness? Full frontal deep wave, 30 inches. Are you going for this full frontal deep wave, 30 inches? Ready for pick-up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna call it. Are you going for the half-cast coils? Half-cast coils, it's fine. Oh, never. I want to say. Yeah. Are you seeing it? See, gay, see, bounce, see, deep wave. Are you seeing the deep wave? Are you seeing the deep wave? You don't snap her. Dana. Don't be left out. Ready for pick up. Are you seeing it? See color, see bounce, see. I mean they zoom this week there where it's bounce. Zoom away. Are you seeing it? Ready for pick up. You don't see bounce, see. You don't see deep wave, see coils. Look at where now, look at. This is not your regular bounce, deep wave. This is not your regular deep wave. Different from other deep wave. Yeah. Too fast now. So they laugh like this thing. They don't eat concussion for you, but they hold your belly. See, and they hold belly since. Oh, my mom and fast. Now they able to just begin to speak. See this one. See deep wine. Deep wine. Yes, now. Deep wine. See deep wine. You don't get this type. You don't get this kind of deep wine. This is your regular deep wave. See, bounce deep wave. You don't snap her. Check her now. Zoom the head. Zoom her. Zoom her where. Zoom the head. Zoom her. Zoom the bounce. See. Ready for pick up. Ready for pick up. Yeah. You don't snap her. Now hair word now they run and see. See coils. Zoom her where. Make they see her. Zoom it. See the piano bar. See the piano deep wave. They see her. Now hair word then they run her. Is it your regular deep wave? Who is the hair vendor? Who is the hair plug? See me here now, the boss lady. Order your blouse now from hair word. See hair word wig, see hair word hair. See wig now, see balm, see lovely. You see the deep wave, see a piano deep wave. Ready for pick up. Ready for pick up. Now maybe the hair that vendor the hair. I'm the hair word that vendor the hair. Now maybe they run at the boss lady. Gay. Zoom the head. Oh yeah. As they trend, see. Are you seeing this? See bounce. See deep wave. You see the coil, see. You see the way tight feeling. See. You see PC coils. See another one, PC coils. You see PC coils. Guess what? The hair was like the runner, the boss. Where is your hair vendor? See, I'm PC coils is full frontal. Are you seeing it? PC coils full frontal. See the legs now. You don't get the style of PC coils. You don't get the when the PC coils, the baba na baba. The baba na baba of them all. Hello, my lady. Good morning from your side. Good afternoon from Nigeria. Hello. So what? The black color of the issue of PC coils. The brown? Which one? The one I just, please, can you screenshot and send to me? Let me see. Which one is that one? Yeah, this is my WhatsApp number. Just please just do a screenshot and send it to my WhatsApp. When I'm done with this video now, I will reply you. Alright, so thank you, ma. Okay, alright. Okay, down. You say the brown color, please. Which one? Okay, bless now. Okay, she wants send that. She wants screenshot and I'll send. Are you going for the PC color, the black, the natural black? Yes, now. See. Hey. Who is the lucky one? Who is taking? You don't get this kind of length of PC coils. Do you have this length of PC coils? Yeah. Are you seeing me? 28 inches PC coil, 28 inches. You don't get her. See her in the shade. See PC coils now. See PC now. See PC coils now. It's the board. It's going now. Full frontal. Are you going for the full frontal PC? Oh my God. Are you going for the full frontal PC? See the center PC. Are you seeing it? Are you going for the center one? Now hair one, now the vendor that vendor the hair. Are you going for the center one? I just to wet out with water. See the full volume now. PC coils with guess what? That one is full frontal. This one is the center closure. Your choice. All that now. All that now is the trend. How they started the hair. Are you seeing it? Are you going for the center PC coils? Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Looking good is good business. Looking good is the business. Looking good is the business. Gay. Oh my God. Looking good is good business. Are you going for the center PC coils? Yeah. This one 28 inches. See another one. See another PC coils. Yeah. You see the color. I bet come closer. See piano PC. See ya. You see ya. You see color. See ya. You see ya. Now me the wrong now. The hair what I've done the hair. Are you going for this color PC? Center closure. Center closure. Center closure. Center closure. Center closure. Center closure. The hair what I've vendor the hair. The hair word that vendor the hair. See now, the lovely hair word. The boss lady hair word. Hair by hair word. Hair from hair word. Hair wig by hair word. Ready for pickup. Are you there? See now, see lovely. Love the trend for hair word. Love the trend for hair word. Ready for pickup. Pick the other one for. Are you seeing it? You don't snap back. See, this one a PC coil. It's too fine. The wood too fine. The hair too fine. Snap back now. My number is there. Don't miss out this one. No, don't miss out. Zoom the hair. Zoom the pieces. Zoom away. Where they see her. Where they see the Losby now. Hey, gay. Why not? Wait. One na I didn't see that. Wait. As soon as I take the video, send for now. Hey. See another color. See this color is different. See this one. Zoom this one. Zoom out. Look at the time.
Just the answer was different. Let me see for WhatsApp.
Okay. See this particular piece, na new updates. Make they check and make they look at what's here. Now new updates, new one. See, you get the way the color take this. See, I beg zoom this piece because make they see and well. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what I'm showing? My phone is moving. Are you seeing what I'm showing? They see her. I wear the second one. The color different. See, these two colors different. See, come close. This one get brown, come get orange, come get gold color. See, this one another color, brown and gold. See this one now, two different color. So are you going for this color or you are going for this one? May I wear this one? Maybe see. Take this one. Let me wear this so that you see it. All this one are just water with living condition. If you have water there everywhere, living condition, you buy a living condition, mix am with water, take spray am, take wet am, see am. It loves the finish. It loves it. Are you seeing it? See, because are PC coils. PC coils wey get swag. Hey, ready for pickup. Luxury or nothing. Zoom this one, zoom and well, see the color. Zoom the color, zoom and zoom out. My number is there, my lady. If you want me to give you the price, please just message me on WhatsApp. My number is there. Anyone who not like, who not the screenshot, they wire and enter that place. That's my number, my WhatsApp number. When I'm done with this live video, I come back to you. Thank you for buying from Hairworld. God bless you all. Happy New Month to you all. Please like and share this video. God will bless you for sharing my video. For promoting Hairworld. God will bless you. Bless you. Oh yeah now. Take. You see the two different color of this one. We have the black, we have the piano mixed with orange. So your choice, ready for pickup. This is almost sexy. You know the bed is on motor last black no every brown again. No black. We just collect the other black now. They pick them. Ready. See am. New update now they bring come and every day. This one is still different from other ones. You see am still coils. See how this one you see. This one are motor now. See am. It's too long. Shift and go back small. Or you use scissors, move and pick the front. You don't snap on. Gege. You don't snap and see lovely. Feel the lovely, see am. Almost sexy. Are you going for the more taller sexy? See now. Piano almost sexy. Are you going for the piano color? Oh yeah. Ready. No black. Then never will not finish. But shall we have black? We have all the color, but it's not available now. Now to show. See, see, and this one I see different for the one I don't show. Because I said this one is darker than the other one where I first showed last when I did for yesterday. Maybe they say I see this one, I see the dark past that. This one is new update. This one is the dark wine. This one is different. All that one don't grow. This one is new update when you come so yeah. Dark wine, this dark wine almost sexy. Are you going for this one? See and PC coils. Then we take run now. PC almost sexy. I want the PC coils almost sexy. Or I want the BB coils almost sexy. All of them they are available. Ready for pickup. See. You don't snap and see. See the way they full now. See now. Now me they run now. The vendor the hair. See. Are you going for this PC coils? Wine, deep wine. All the color is here. See another color. Next one I see piano color. Hairworld. Now you they run now. Now me they run now. Yes now. The hairworld that vendor the hair. Ready for pickup. Happy New Month to you all my beautiful customers. Happy New Month. Please like and share. Like and share this video. You don't start this one. See on that color. Zoom and zoom and zoom and zoom and zoom and zoom and come closer. Zoom the head. Zoom the head. Zoom it. Zoom it. Zoom it. You don't zoom out. Are they seeing it? All my customer will get swag. Are you seeing the color? Now here what they run at the balls. I don't know where that piece, other one. Never enter. I beg if you want to start next like this, now tomorrow or next, most sister for bones the short side. When they that short one, they always they go last. No. Okay. Every day is live video. Every day is live video. I don't get another than my work. This one is my hair palace. So now my hair palace, yes, now my celebrity hair workshop. I don't get another work now. Yeah, every day na live video. If you come across this video, thank you for watching. Thank you for buying. Now only one person you also watch me. I'm so happy. Yes, I'm so happy. Every day na live. Maybe you don't forget the hair. Maybe I can't show them. Maybe I always show them every 2 or every day. Maybe you don't forget. Your friend never get. Maybe you don't have to watch my live video. You can see come across it. You can see buy. So every day is always business live video for hair world. So if you come across this video, if you never can watch my video, if you just see it now, please like and share and order your luxury from Hair World. Hair World wig is Hair World is giving. You want to make your hair, your manicure, your pedicure, your facial, you want to look beautiful, you want to beautify yourself. Please come to Hair World number 25 Airport Road by Vegetable Market beside Access Bank opposite Observer. Now we dey here. Hair World is one in town. The one and only Hair World. Now me dey run now, yes now. Come and love yourself. Come and look good, look beautiful. Looking good is good business. Not do yourself. Okay. Are you going for this one? See another color of Omotola. Oh yeah, now ready for pickup. See another one. See, PC coil is there. See another PC coil. See the way it full. This one I love it. Love it PC. 14 inches. See all of the full here. Different coils of PC. See, are you going for them? This one are HD. See HD, yes. See the down. You see customized. Now how was the runner? Ready for pickup. Wanna give me braid? Give me this luxury braid. Happy new month to all my beautiful customers, all my loved ones. Are you going for this braid? See luxury braids. Are you going for luxury braids? When I can't give me all this braid, all this braid where you're there, so this one will get coil, so this all the new updates. Are you going for all this luxury braids? See luxury now. You dey see and this one thing about this braid then, so light, it's like not today your head. The braid they sell like pure water. You dey see the way I take the do and so luxury. The braid light, it's like not even there your head. They see and see the color, see color. See and see what we say do. Are you seeing it? Are you going for this one? That's that one. See braid, wait, guess what? See color, see how you see her. Are you going for this one? What do you say when you give me this one? Say, give me all this one, all these colors. Give me. Oh, Mona, give me. The section of one where I just wear, so that's me, give me. Luxury or nothing. Lost be or nothing. Lost be or nothing. Yeah, give me this one. Lost be great. Ready. This side clear, but this side and this side.
It's too clear.
Eh?
It's too clear.
Okay now. Are you going for this one? They see her. Come closer. Now you see yourself. The way you say they lost me. Ready. So I mean, I see they see all this one. They do a screenshot for them. Are you going for this one? Are you going for this lost be brassiere? See Ghana will be for down root. Are you seeing it? See the back. You see the back? Ready for pickup. Are you going for this one? See another one. See the way the head light. See the braid. Like see the tip of this braid. Lost braids. All that now see the trend though. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing it? Ready for pickup. Order your lost winner from Hairward. Hairward lost braids. You don't snap am. Now when they find what they tie hair, see am. This tying of hair for your maybe one tie your what is it called, your igele for party. You don't want just install your frontal. Very easy to go. See am. It's available at Hairward. All that now we get different one. We get see na two types. See am. This one now. This one is this one price. Na cheap price. This one. See na different one. So are you going for this? See am. If you look at we see am say na two different. This one are the ogbonge. This one are the ogbonge. See am well. So snap and anyone where you like. Say, are you going for this one? Look and well. Look the down well now. So look this one down well. So the na two different style 9 day here. You don't snap the braid. Oh yeah, now lost it. Come and give me. Next I'll sew this leg on top of my head. This braid, where they come out. I'll just use the tacker. Lost braid from Hairward. Ready for pickup. All this one with their coils. No, give me that one. See what people they must now. Give me that with their coils. And the other one with their coils. Right, see how this one like they talk to me now. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing me? You don't snap her. All this lost be break. Ready for pickup. Everyone loves be break. They are giving. See this one now. See her. Go to your way. You have to style yourself. Ready for pickup. Are you seeing me? Ready for pickup. Turn a braid though. See, I do like. Are you seeing me? Ready for pickup. The screenshot one of the fast to. What I like this braid. See coils. And I put frontal, free style and different. If you put any part, see, the way they say weaver, if you put any part, you can put any part, any part, side part, so anywhere you want to style them. Are you seeing it? Anywhere you want to style it, your choice. Anywhere you want to style it, your choice. Are you seeing it? You see how? Oh God. See another one. Oh, sweet bread now. So I get coils. Zoom this braid. Make them see am well. Are you seeing it? See am. Are you going for this one? Are you going for this one? Are you going for this one? Ready for pick up. Love your braid now. Ready for pick up. Ready for pick up. Are you seeing it? See another one. Are you going for this? Just snap am. Take. Are you going for this one? They see am. My phone dey check that. No say that phone dey ring. Now they see the news say my phone dey ring. Are you going for this one? See this wine. See wine. You see the wine. Feel like weave. Feel like all these bands we want. See, like you dey far from the hair small. But this thing are bands, all these bands. You know, be like it's not braid. See, bands. See, this braid will dey with you for years. See, it's like I don't even know what I want to. This one I want to compare this braid. This one carry go anytime, any day. You not get stress. So you're not gonna say I walk on the roller. No, nah. This one it don't play. See the luxury now. Are you seeing it? See the luxury braid. Ready for pick up. Ready for pick up. See now. Ready for pick up. Ready for pick up. See all the short one here. Are you seeing it? This one have bone straight braid. Come this side, they see am. Bone straight braid. See the tear. They see this color. Are you seeing this one? This one have dark brown mixed with gold. So on that dark brown, you see how they show the all this one. This one have bone straight braid. 12 inches there, 10 inches there. Your choice. See how. Are you seeing the braid? We have different ones. See Fulani hair now. Fulani braid. This Fulani hair where they sell like Ororo cement cereal. Both adults and the way you put it like this braid there. This one, and I mean they call her Fulani braid though. Let me say that Fulani braid that they call her. But the way you just say braid, let me see they call her Fulani braid. Are you seeing it? Let me give you another look. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Now I they vendor all of them. I mean they vendor everything. Let me be the vendor that vendor everything. I do the vendor. We have the brown and the black. See the black here. Are you going for the black? The Fulani braid. Are you going for the black or you are going for this dark brown? Just wear this one. Say exactly luxury yourself. Luxury yourself. Luxury or nothing. Are you seeing it? I'm not wearing this here. I'm not giving this one. This ball straight. This piano green and black. Are you seeing it? Hair too many for you. Never really know when you're out here. So the wig is many. The hair is massive. It's many. The hair was that vendor the hair. See all of them. Are you going for the more sexy? Almost sexy. Almost one sexy. All of the day here. Are you there? So luxury yourself. Order your luxury from Hairworld. Order your luxury from Hairworld. Hairworld luxury hair is giving. Order your hair from Hairworld. Who is your hair vendor? I know where this sell. I know where this is. I don't know where it is. Go for it. Yes, man. I'm not gonna know what you are doing again. Gege. So another almost sexy. this one seriously. Are you going for this one? See this one. I see how you feel. You dey see her? See almost sexy now. You dey see luxury or nothing? You don't snap and see PC now. See any na PC coil where I take do am. PC coils I never comb out. You saw I never wet her. I just comb my out. I don't wet her. I say I want to see another look of this head. I just comb out without no wetting. So me I see. So when you wet this head now, you just give another coil. Gege. Luxury or nothing, film the hair, film me almost sexy. You don't snap her. Thank you for watching. Thank you for buying from Hair World. We don't see try for today. Happy New Month. That's my sister showing her hair today with me. First of the month, yes now. May for everybody, this May go good, go sweet, where we go love you. Anything you plan for yourself, all the good thing will come to you in Jesus' name. The bad one, we don't see them. We don't see anything bad, anything evil. Anybody will plan evil for any of my customers, plan evil for me, back to send them for them. They go enter on refuge in Jesus' name. I say go be for all the evil people where they plan evil. We no want good thing for their fellow friend, fellow sister. We not like better thing. They see her. Simbi is a girl. So love you now, order. Oh yeah. Are you going for the bands? Take a photo to show you all the bands. Are you going for the bands? Ready now, it's ready for pickup. Are you going for this?